Let's look at exercise 50. It's not that difficult. Look closely to the fingering and you get the pattern of the first 3 bars in no time. In this pattern, you have to use the technique of cross under, but you learned this technique in a previous exercise, so I'm sure you can do it. You probably noticed the small number 3 under the notes. This means you have to play these notes in triplets. You count 1, 2, 3, and in each beat you play 3 notes. Don't worry about it too much, just play along with the audio file. You probably also noticed the number 8 with a broken line. This means you have to play the notes under the broken line 1 octave higher than written on the score. In bar 4 and 5, you play the chromatic scale beginning on B flat and ending on F. This is a scale that covers all keys, black and white. In the chromatic scale, you play all the black keys with your 3rd finger and all the white keys between the black keys with your thumb. Only when you have to play 2 white keys after each other, you also use your 2nd finger. Just follow the fingering of the notes in bar 4 and 5 and you understand the fingering of the chromatic scale in no time. Now you're ready to practice exercise 50 at 30 BPM. I get back to you after you did exercise 50 at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.